Good.
I
If
got
not...
Santa's Workshop, this is Holly.
Holly, it's Santa. Help me. I need help right now. Oh my god.
Santa, what's wrong?
I'm hurt. I have hurt myself.
Okay, wait. Do you need me to call you an ambulance?
No, I want you to pick me up. Oh, this is not looking
Okay,
good.
wait a second. I thought you said you were hurt.
I am hurt. I hurt my foot. Oh god.
Okay,
Oh, God.
Santa, tell us again very loudly what happened.
Okay, I burned my foot very badly on my Easy Bake Oven, and now I need someone to come bring me into work.
You burn your foot on an Easy Bake Oven.
Yes.
I like having breakfast in bed. I like waking up to the smell of cookies in the morning. Sue me. Since I don't have an elf to do it for me, every night before I go to bed, I put 6 cookies into my Easy Bake Oven. And this morning, I stepped over and, I just don't see why that's so hard to believe.